Welcome to another enlightening episode where we delve into the world of financial literacy and wealth creation. Today, we're exploring the groundbreaking book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This isn't just a book review, it's a step-by-step walkthrough, a detailed summary that will help you understand the principles that differentiate the rich from the poor. In this video, we'll explore how the rich get richer, why many struggle financially, and how you can escape the rat race. We'll dissect the teachings of this book, providing you with a visual guide to understanding the mindset and strategies of the wealthy and guide you through creating your own process. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is more than just a book. It's a financial education that can change your life. It's about understanding the difference between working for money and having money work for you. It's about learning what the rich teach their kids about money that the poor and middle class do not. We'll have in this video a real-life example. Alex and his journey to put in practice throughout his life the tips from this financial manual. So, whether you're looking to invest, seeking financial coaching, or simply wanting to increase your financial IQ, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a bird's eye view of the most important concepts and quotes from Rich Dad, Poor Dad that will guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Let's jump into it. Tip number 1. The rich don't work for money. Imagine living a life where money is no longer a source of stress, but rather a tool that works tirelessly for you. This is the reality for those who have mastered the art of making money work for them. Meet Alex, a once struggling employee who discovered the secret to financial freedom through the teachings of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Alex was trapped in the rat race, working 60-hour weeks just to make ends meet. He was living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worried about how he would pay his bills and support his family. But then he stumbled across the life-changing lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. This revelation shook Alex to his core and forced him to reevaluate his entire approach to money. Instead of working tirelessly for a paycheck, Alex began focusing on building his asset column. Investments, real estate and businesses that would generate passive income for him. As his assets grew, so did his financial freedom. Alex was finally able to break free from the shackles of the rat race and live life on his own terms. Now, Alex spends his days enjoying time with his family, traveling the world and pursuing his passions, all while his money works for him. This level of freedom and financial security was only possible because Alex embraced the truth behind the first tip from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The rich don't work for money. As we dive deeper into the wisdom of this influential book, you too will begin to understand the importance of financial literacy and how it can transform your life. Are you ready to escape the rat race and start making your money work for you? Let's continue with tip number 2, financial literacy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to improve your life and finances. Tip number 2, financial literacy. Financial literacy is key to escaping the rat race. It's not about how much money you make, but how much money you keep. The education system trains you to become a good employee, but does a poor job of making you a good employer. You can only rely on yourself to use this knowledge and acquire assets that allow you to generate an income. Alex lands his dream job, earning an impressive salary. Yet, despite his substantial income, he can't seem to get ahead financially. He's burdened by credit card debt, student loans, and an ever-increasing cost of living. He feels trapped in the rat race, unable to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It's a story all too familiar for many of us, but Alex's life takes a turning point as he stumbles upon the importance of financial literacy. Fed up with his circumstances, he decides to take control of his financial future. He devours books, attends seminars, and seeks advice from successful mentors. And as he gains financial knowledge, the veil of his financial struggles is lifted. The more he learns, the more Alex comes to understand the critical distinction between assets and liabilities. His previous approach of blindly chasing salary increases was leading him nowhere. With his newfound financial literacy, Alex makes a conscious effort to invest his hard-earned money in assets like stocks, real estate, and small businesses. Over time, his investments begin to generate passive income. His debts are paid off, and his financial concerns start to fade. Alex's life transforms as he finally experiences the freedom and security he's always yearned for. He no longer lives in fear of unexpected expenses, layoffs, or economic downturns. Instead, he enjoys the fruits of his labor and the peace of mind that comes with financial independence. The transformation in Alex's life serves as a testament to the life-changing power of financial literacy. It's a compelling reminder that anyone, regardless of their background, education, or salary, can break free from the shackles of financial stress and achieve lasting wealth and success. But like in any case, it can also have downturns throughout the way. But if you insist, you will be successful in all cases. As a suggestion, you can also watch our video on Avoid Getting Broke During a Recession with 6 tips from Warren Buffett to master the needed skills to thrive during the recession. And now, as you continue on this enlightening journey through this influential book, you're about to uncover another crucial piece of the financial puzzle. Tip number 3. Understanding assets and liabilities, the life-changing secret to building wealth. Alex, a hard-working, ambitious man striving to provide a comfortable life for his family. Despite his steady job and decent salary, he still found himself struggling to make ends meet. Every month, Alex's paycheck would quickly vanish into a sea of bills and expenses, barely allowing him to stay afloat. He felt trapped, suffocated by a never-ending cycle of financial stress and anxiety. One day, Alex was introduced to the life-changing concept of understanding assets and liabilities. Intrigued, he decided to analyze his own financial situation. To his surprise, he discovered that his so-called assets, his fancy car, big house, and latest gadgets, were in fact liabilities. They were all draining his resources and pushing him further away from financial freedom. Determined to turn his life around, Alex embarked on a transformative journey all in the pursuit of mastering the art of distinguishing between assets and liabilities. As he gained knowledge, he started making smarter decisions, gradually shifting his focus towards acquiring real assets. Over time, his dedication paid off. Alex began investing in income-generating assets such as real estate, stocks and bonds. As his asset column grew, so did his monthly income. The once stressed and overworked man now enjoyed financial independence, the freedom to spend time with his family, and the ability to give back to his community. Alex's story is a testament to the power of understanding assets and liabilities. By recognizing the difference and making informed choices, you too can unlock the secrets to building true and lasting wealth. Are you ready to take control of your finances just like Alex? Turn the page and immerse yourself in the world of cash flow, the key to unlocking the doors to your financial destiny. Tip number 4, cash flow, mastering the art of money management. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your financial well-being. It reveals the story of how you handle money, whether you're barely surviving or thriving in abundance. The poor rely on their paychecks, the middle class are burdened by debts and expenses, while the rich devise innovative ways to expand their asset columns. Alex, who, despite earning a sizable salary, found himself drowning in debt and struggling to make ends meet. For years, he desperately tried to keep his head above water, juggling his credit card bills, student loans, and endless expenses. One day, Alex stumbled upon the concept of cash flow and realized that the key to financial freedom lay in mastering the art of money management. He quickly understood that his lack of financial intelligence was the main obstacle standing between him and his dreams. Determined to turn his life around, Alex began to dig deeper into the world of cash flow. He learned to meticulously track his income and expenses, uncovering hidden money drains he never even knew existed. He became an expert in budgeting and financial planning, and gradually started to allocate more of his income towards building assets. Within months, Alex's life started to transform. He experienced a newfound sense of control and confidence in his financial decision-making. He was no longer held captive by his mounting debt and began to see a brighter future for himself and his family. As Alex's assets grew, so did his passive income streams. He found innovative ways to generate additional income, from investing in stocks and real estate to launching a profitable side business. Gradually, Alex shifted from a paycheck-dependent existence to a life of abundance and financial independence. Alex's story is a shining example of the power of cash flow mastery. His commitment to understanding and harnessing this crucial financial skill opened up a world of possibilities and changed his life forever. Now, imagine what mastering cash flow could do for you. Are you ready to break free from the shackles of financial stress and step into a life of prosperity and wealth? Keep watching to unlock the next crucial piece of the puzzle and continue your journey towards financial freedom. As Alex delved deeper into his financial education, he became aware of another critical lesson: the trap of home ownership. Like millions of others, Alex had believed that owning a home was the ultimate key to financial security. However, he soon discovered that this widely accepted belief might in fact be a significant obstacle in building true wealth. Stay with us in the next chapter as we explore the hidden dangers of the American dream and learn how to navigate the pitfalls of home ownership on your path to financial success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to improve your life and finances. Tip number 5: the trap of home ownership. Focusing on a home can lead to building a liability rather than an asset. All your money is tied up in a house and going out through the expense column in mortgage payments. It's not being used to grow your asset column. As Alex embarked on his journey towards financial enlightenment, he learned that focusing solely on home ownership led to the accumulation of a massive liability rather than a valuable asset. He realized that pouring all his hard-earned money into a house would not only tie it up, but also drain it through endless mortgage payments and expenses. This money could have been invested in growing his asset column instead. Despite feeling a pang in his chest as he let go of his lifelong dream, Alex couldn't ignore the truth. He began to understand that he needed to redirect his efforts and resources to create passive income, invest in assets, and build real wealth. Real-life example: Alex's bold decision. Alex recalled a conversation with his friend Sarah, who had recently purchased an investment property. She rented out the property and used the rental income to pay off her mortgage, effectively growing her asset column. Inspired by Sarah's success, Alex decided to follow suit. He sold his home and used the money to buy a duplex. He rented out both units, allowing the rental income to cover the mortgage and generate additional earnings. As the months went by, Alex began to see the tangible results of his decision. He started receiving a steady stream of passive income, which he reinvested in more income-generating assets. His heart swelled with pride as he watched his asset column grow, and he knew that he had successfully escaped the trap of home ownership. A new path, embracing true financial success. With a newfound clarity, Alex was eager to continue his journey towards financial freedom. He realized that he wasn't alone in his quest, as millions of others had also fallen prey to the illusion of the American dream. It was time to share his insights and help others navigate the pitfalls of home ownership on their own path to financial success. Join us in the next chapter as we dive into the world of real assets and explore the many opportunities that await those brave enough to break free from the home ownership trap. Discover the secrets to creating a diversified portfolio of income-generating investments and unlock the door to true financial freedom. Tip number 6: unveiling the secrets, real assets that transformed lives. Prepare to have your world turned upside down in this groundbreaking chapter as we reveal the life-changing power of real assets, the hidden gems that the wealthy have harnessed for centuries. Filled with compelling real-life examples and emotionally engaging stories, this chapter will not only ignite your passion for creating financial freedom, but also give you the keys to unlock the treasure trove of opportunities that lie ahead. One day, Alex happened upon the concept of real assets, a transformative idea that would forever change his life. Inspired by the stories of those who had gone before him, he decided to take a leap of faith and invest in an income-generating rental property. As the monthly payments from his tenants began to roll in, Alex soon realized the astonishing power of real assets. No longer tied to his grueling job, he could now focus on building a diverse portfolio of assets that would continue to generate income and appreciate in value over time. With each new investment, Alex's wealth and financial freedom grew exponentially. He was no longer a slave to the rat race, but a master of his own destiny. All thanks to the transformative power of real assets. And now, it's your turn. Tip number 7. Mind your own business. The rich focus on their asset columns while everyone else focuses on their income statements. Your profession focuses only on the income section of your personal income statement. Your business revolves solely around the asset column on your balance sheet. Imagine working tirelessly for years, earning a steady income but still living paycheck to paycheck. This was the story of Alex, who, despite his professional success, felt trapped in the never-ending cycle of financial stress. That was until he stumbled upon the life-changing advice of this video. Alex realized that, like most people, he'd been solely focused on his income statement, striving for promotions and salary increments, but he was missing a crucial piece of the puzzle: building his asset column. Stepping out of his comfort zone, Alex decided to transform his financial life. He started small, investing in dividend-paying stocks, and gradually diversifying his portfolio with real estate and small businesses. As his assets grew, so did his passive income. The breakthrough moment came when Alex's passive income surpassed his monthly expenses. He was now financially free. No longer burdened by financial stress, Alex felt like a weight had been lifted off his shoulders. He could finally live life on his terms, spending more time with his family, traveling and pursuing his passions. Alex's life was forever changed, all because he had the courage to mind his own business and focus on building assets. Take a moment to reflect on Alex's story and ask yourself, are you ready to shift your focus and create a life of abundance, freedom, and fulfillment? Remember, the power to change your financial destiny lies within you. Embrace tip number 7, mind your own business, and set sail on your journey towards financial independence. As we conclude this chapter on the transformative power of real assets and minding your own business, we hope you feel inspired and empowered. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.